Guys, we are back with a new video, and today, yes, I know, I haven't uploaded a video in 10 days, but, we are back with a new video, and today, we are playing the Purple Parrot. So, let's do it. Okay, this is off the Minecraft Marketplace. That's a lot of fireworks. What is this? Mailbox. Who puts a mailbox in their house? Invitation. Hi there. You have been invited to a party at the Purple Palace. We will be getting together later today. Hope to see you there. Petey the Parrot. Okay. What's his name? Petey the Parrot. Anything in these chests? Nope, just empty. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Withy? Okay, no, I know this. Whee! Uh-oh, I just used my last rocket. This is a bad idea. Wait, I can save this. I can save this. I saved it. Okay. Just give me like 2 minutes or something, guys. Okay, I think I found the palace. I'm just gonna get down here safely. Dappa-dappa-doo. Do-da-da-da-da. Oh, I just took damage. Wah, wah. Right, let's go down here, and down here, and okay. I found the chest. Parrot. Okay, what's in here? Another one. Another book. Hi, thanks for coming. Blah, 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 blah. The party's about to start when we misplaced the music we want to play. It's called Wait. Could you look around the palace for us? P.S. If you want okay, Petey. Bro, I cannot say anything. Bro, I cannot. Bro. Bro. But I keep saying like that. I keep saying like nonsense. Firework station. Wow. Well, I already know this. It's a palace. It's a palace. It's a purple parrot. It's a purple parrot. Wait, let me go up here. Purple parrot. Made out of gold. I don't know what to do. What is this? Insert disc 11. Disc 11? That's like the scariest disc in Minecraft. I'm a bit lazy. Well, I don't know what to do. What? It's another purple parrot. Purple parrot. And there's another purple parrot. Oh, okay. Oh, it's just wildlife. It's just Mother Nature. It's a beautiful view. What is this? I see a music disc. I mean, blah, 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 blah. Each music disc has its own. Okay. Well, I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. The music stopped playing, so I don't know why. Okay. Button. Press the button for a big fireworks show. Where? Oh, there. Okay. When does it start? Oh, it's starting! Boom, 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 boom. That was it? That was it? Oh, there's more. Whee! Even more. How many fireworks are there? Here we go again. What does the dispenser have? Okay, that's fireworks. What about this one? Okay, they all have. I got disc. Where did I get disc 11? Anyways, let's put it in. Do 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 ba do do ba do. I knew I would take that double damage. Okay, go here. Okay, so disc 11. Oh, there's wait. Wait. That's the name, it's just wait. Where do I go now? I haven't explored this place yet. What's this? Armor stance can change the. I already know this. Okay. I already know this. Diamond armor! Oh. You got diamonds, gold? I'm guessing I have to put it here. I got it. Fireworks. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you had a great time. Bye!